Watch. 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 And the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Yo, a franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effecting, don't it? You know it go already when we aim up, crank up, load up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about it, don't it? Watch. Are the most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. So here we are going now. Right about now, you know. I have to give congratulations to J.A. Radio. Last night I listened to the man them program and here we are going. It's a real sensitive topic the man them touch on, you know. So the man them I say, you know what I mean? Them thing, the dancehall artists them with the gun lyrics have something to do with the crime and violence of Jamaica. We not got debate that, you know what I mean? We not got debate that. But as me I say, first thing, me a man, I try to get J.A. Radio like 3 times or twice. You see what I deal with, and the man them phone busy. So here we go on. It come like it's a 99 to 1 shot for me call in and try to get J.A. Radio. I'm vexed how I never get to talk to them. Because them topic I like reasons about. You know what I mean? As me I say, when you remember say reason or something, we wise up both our knowledge as long as we not reason for win a point against one another. But to me I really get to you. I know how I go on. You see me? Because enough people can hunger. Talk about them shit there. We are youth will live them type of life there. We live it. You know what I mean? So nobody not there to explain it like we. So here we go on. Me say Jamaica get independent 1982. 1962. You see me? Jamaica get independent 1962. Watch what go on now, no man. So, in the 80s now, the politician them, rice gun bring coming out the ghetto for the youth them fight political violence. You see me? With them one another. You see what I deal with? And the man them kill off them one another and I'm a virgin. And you mean to tell me say from that, we couldn't did advance and we couldn't did learn. You know what I mean? Because here we go on now. It was same Jamaicans, a kill off Jamaicans, all because politics. You see what I deal with? It's not like it's not like user revolutionist or you fight for the benefit of the country. And that no man them fight for him, my virgin. Politics thing. So what's going to go on now? A politician, you know, have up him done them, him gangster, him shatter, him killer them, where him support with everything. You understand me? The youth them in the ghetto, see them type of man there, where the politician them support, I want to live them type of lifestyle like the man them. You see what I deal with? Because you know, some people like easy come. You see what I deal with? So, some of them think of the easiest way that for them. Because enough of them, you know, like lick out, you know, and say, well then, them now work for such and such money, and them now work for the minimum wages there. But the local man, you know, who go out there go work for it, you know. When the man come in all on Friday evening time, you know, who no want a spliff, want a Guinness, if the man now give them, people are prim. And people set up them friends for rob all them local people there. Too. You see what I deal with some of the song got show now. But what I say, discipline start from your home first. Before you go outside. You see what I deal with? The moment you, as a parent, make somebody outside have a big impact on your child like that, more than you and the father, that means the child lost already, you know, my virgin. Because this discipline start from, you know, your home, you know. So, in case, remember you have to bend the tree from it young, you know. So, in case, you know, the child go outside, you know, and not do something wrong, you know. When somebody shout at them, you know, them already know what them are do wrong, you know. Because them did verbally taught, you know, by their mother and father, you know. So immediately them have to straighten up, you know. Nowadays, you to do something wrong, as you walk me mouth here, I want to tell you about your mother. I want to talk about him and come kill you. I want to talk this and that and all kind of ridiculous argument. But just I'm going to try for sure, you know, how the things stem, you know, and how it expand, you know, my virgin. You see what I deal with? So over the years now, you mean for tell me, say, you know, say, you have to walk away from them shit there. You see me? Because the government, them did, the politician, them did put gun in the ghetto. Them never come back for none. A life them come for. Because when Babylon come, a life Babylon come for take. You see what I deal with? Them never set up nothing. That's the youth them can transform from one level to the next level. Alright. The politician is not our parents nor them shit there, you know. You see what I deal with? Politician, them are just politician. We don't have to work off of the system, my virgin. We don't fever against them. More than we just not step in that pathway there. Simple. You know what I mean? And stop fight against one another. Because everywhere you look all over the world, when you look, black people are fight against black people. Everywhere at all you go over the world and look. Yo, so me hear Shakira say, yo, the dancehall gun lyrics them have a lot to do with it. I'm not going to say no, I'm not going to say yeah. But here I'm fine. Remember saying, you know, it's not one type of musician we have in Jamaica, you know. So we not even can blame that on that. Because we have reggae artists who sing about roots and culture and love. You see me? And upliftment. And the youth them don't now follow them. Not even the people are follow them and them. Who are support reggae? Abuju Bantan must come back with and try put reggae on a different level. Who are support the reggae artists them? Who are support the artists them who are strive for upliftment, you know what I mean? And look out for certain hypocrisy and them shit there. Who did it for the man them? Who did it stand up with the man them? Me not see nobody do it, you know. Remember, you know, Jamaica, you know, have Christian singer, gospel singer, reggae singer, dancehall artist, a man will sing love song and all of them shit there. And the only one them we can point our finger upon is the DJ them who DJ about gun lyrics. So, I just want to show you know, if we not go look on it like that, my virgin are where the people them choose, my virgin. You know what I mean? Or where the people them choose. Or nobody now follow the gospel singer them. Eh? Or nobody now follow the reggae singer them. Why are just the dancehall man them a follow? You know what I mean? Yo, it all start from in our brain first, man. That's how it start, man. We as a person we like follow too much, man. And listen, things are get wrong. Things are get wrong and wicked in the country like that. We want to draw back from the roots and culture because that's where I come from. So we have to know where we are going now. We want to draw back from our roots and culture. You know what I mean? You know, so we follow all type of different race and I try to get involved in the people them thing and only fucking up one another, my virgin. That's all we do. We only fucking up one another. And then now society now let we in a certain loophole and them shit there because them was a bad answer or a bad apple, my virgin. We are them all are the first, who are them are the head of corruption. But it now go look like that. It now go look like that in my virgin. Right now, you know, you have some youth, you know, in the ghetto, you know. Where they even know him father from 80 election gone, you know. A real thing, you know. And it's just like a trend I set, you know. The youth them were lazy and no parenthood and nobody will look out for them, you know. That's who them turn to, you know. Him want to be a dapper and him want to be a dan and him want to be a shatter. You understand me? I saw the thing I go on, you know. You know what I mean? You know, nobody fear tell the youth them say, no, not that, not this. Everybody are going to say things hard. Yeah, then things hard, then youth, they don't know that from your youth to come up, you're supposed to see that and try to put your foot in the best forward position that you can able to help yourself. So certain things you not even restrain on yourself over, because all of them things they want to restrain on yourself over. A simple thing that. Yo, remember saying at the ghetto, you know, a man look shabby certain way, you know, and him not have certain lifestyle or liberty, you know. Remember saying that people look upon him a way, you know, not even girl no want him, you know, my virgin. I just I'm gonna show you the level of thinking, you know, and all them things they force youth to go out, they go do all kind of crazy shit, you know. Because him want to in the limelight, you know, and the wrong way him deal with it, you know. Because let me tell you something, two things you can do in this world, it no matter how you try. If you not do the right thing or the wrong thing you do. You see what I deal with? If you not do the right thing or the wrong thing you do, and you not have nothing in between where you can balance you on both. So if you're not right, you're wrong. You see what I deal with? And them people are people who want wrong and still want to kill you like them right, my brethren. Them youth, you can't even reason with them. You can't even reason with them, my brethren. A man live with a woman, see? A man taking a woman over him house, in him house. The man live over Spanish town and the man taking a woman over him house. They taking a woman in him house with our kids, them and them shit there. You see me? One night the man go home, you know, my virgin. And when the man go home, you know, empty place him see, you know. The woman move out the whole of the man furniture and gone, you know. And things them, you know. You see what I deal with because she thinks, maybe she think her crutch is worth all of them shit there, you know. You see what I deal with? I just going to show you how people look and stuff. The man called me and I make me know what go on, you know. Me know the woman friend, you know. You see what I deal with? And the woman friend, you know, link me up, you know. Like she don't know what go on, you know, because she thinks she can pick my brain, you know. So you don't know me as a man, you know, I'm not going to hide nothing, you know. Immediately me jump in it, you know, and I make she know, you know. Yo, them woman there too, the woman them a move too licky, you know. And them too wicked, you know. You can't just get up every day and I look for man. I depend upon man, you know. For fulfill your curiosity, you know. When you not do nothing for yourself, you know. That's not right, you know. You're supposed to look about shit for yourself. You can't just sit down and not depend upon man. So what if that man you say, nah, do it? Where you got to jump onto a next man and jump onto the next one and jump onto the next. You can't do them things there and still be a lady, you know, my virgin. You can't have the name, you know, but the character gone, you know. You understand what I deal with? So at them levels, there shit me I tell you about. You see what I deal with? So when me I tell her, I say, you know, right now, you know, woman, you know, get more sophisticated than that, you know. And me feel like say, you know, the man there, when me I tell you the woman move out, him think them is a big man, and me I say, yo, the big man, you know, should have look for a big woman who can match him. So if him put 10 cents, he can put 5 cents. You know, jump go take up woman where you have to do everything. That alone is a strain upon you. Plus you have our kids them too. We are not even here, you them. You see what I deal with? Not saying, you know. Then man, you know, not to take up woman with children. That's not what I'm saying, you know. I tell you about this woman. So I say, yo, that's wrong. You know what I mean? Because I'm a big man. I'm still supposed to have somebody who care about him as much as all him want to care about the woman. That him can take in her in her place with she and her pitney them. You understand me? Alright. I say that. And I tell the girl that. The girl jump up instantly and I say, I style me and style her. And I say, but I know you, the argument no belongs to you. How come I style you? What you mean? Like, what you talk about? Like, me put you in the latest fashion? Or Me don't know if it's some stylistic shit you talk about. Because I see them chat them, me not really, me a man, me not really use them word alone me, or ghetto youth, hardcore Jamaica. Me not use them word there. What you mean by me a style you? Yo, you know, if you talk to me, let's talk to me properly. What you mean by me a style you? Somebody doesn't go show on say. And not everybody you can talk to and show certain things or even reason with them. The moment you start reason with some Jamaican people, them start say you style them. Enough of them claim say I show off because you live in America. And all of them stupidness there, you know. So when we are going to take in and when we are going to accept for the wrong what we do, when we are going to stand up and accept that, because if we don't accept that, we not going to move on, you know. You know what I mean? When we are going to accept say all of this shit wrong, what we do? You see what I deal with? So the man them I blame the dancehall artists them. And I see the Rasta artists them or the reggae artists them put out big, good quality beasted music and nobody now highlight them. Nobody they ever watch them. But as you look a winding up song I play, girl in her house they on her head top, or look a child I see that. But what mommy they on her head top, that child want do. Or when them gold style go mix with some other youth we involved in a them type of shit and them thing there. And that's how them start broke out and go on. You see what I deal with? Father dey on corner with be a gunman. Each up a roll out, cuss out weed in a hand nigga and have big gun in a waist and all them shit there. The little boy grew up, him want to be like him father. Him want that street credibility there where the people them a talk about him father. All of him father dead and gone. Him still want that street credibility there. Because people say, yo, your father was a dana, your father a dapper, your father this and that. And him live by that, my virgin. So all these things we want to talk about, it have to do with a look like everything. But first, pre the government first. And them are the first one started. In 1962, I say we get independent. We never know nothing about no gun or them bomb buck like that. 80 election, all type of weapon come in. The man them not even know how to use them. And them same one teach the man them how to use them. You see what I deal with? But the man them stupid, so I forget the parent them they blame. What the parent them there for the child? What the parent them for the child? Not come like the child them now get parent again. You see what I deal with? Child just get up and do what them want do. I tell you now already, you know. Both man and woman, you know. If you can't support a child, leave that alone, you know. Because the youth them, you know, me want, you know, stand up on the corner, you know, in the latest sneakers or jeans, tight jeans you don't want to wear or whatever you have, you know. I crush up weed, you know, with gun and all them shit and claim on a dapper, you know, my virgin. Them the lifestyle, you know, go nowhere, you know, because that can't feed the child, you know, my virgin. That can't take care of the child, you know. And if you know you're in a badness, you know, and them shit there, you know, where you got in a trouble with the law and other bad man, you know. Why you want to get this little girl pregnant when you see say you're not in a life with the little girl? Because you're a fucked up brother. You see what I deal with? A dumb shit you have all your interest in. You know. You want to have money today and broke for the next 3 blood clot month. Because people you depend upon forget shit. Politician. Man won't claim respect on or afraid of you. Or no take set upon the same people them in the community just because them scared because you know a gunman or a shot or whatever you want name. Them life they can't maintain kid. And for the girl them, you don't in a position. You yourself I meet hard times. Then what the fuck are you think I got happen when you bring a kid come in the world? Them boys up on the corner, you know, you have to pass them. You pass them go when you go to school and you pass them when you come back. Where the fuck you get involved with them type of youth for? Him not have nothing fear. I mean like a nice, good youth. If you look upon him, yes, you probably say a nice, good youth, whatever. But do him live the nice and good life there? Stop what your people say. Watch what them do. Or the general 10 star wanna represent 100%. What?